How are you guys doing? This is Ryan, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency and is it a buy right now? How are we looking at it from a technical analysis? And doing a portfolio overview of the cryptocurrencies I hold. This video is going to be in collaboration with my good friend Mike from Mike the Investor. He runs a great YouTube channel all about investing through dividends, and also recently he's been talking a lot more about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin and Ethereum and things like that. So he's going to give more of a fundamental analysis. I'm going to have his channel and video link in the description below, so make sure to check that out after the video. But my video is going to focus more on a technical analysis and trying to decide, should I be buying more cryptocurrency at this level, or should I be holding or looking to sell? Cryptocurrency's had a very good year, but we'll jump into all that and more in this video, so let's jump into it. So in this video, I'm not going to try to fundamentally tell you all the reasons and go in detail on why cryptocurrency is a good investment. I'll briefly say that there's a decentralized attempt to rewrite the entire fabric of the internet as we know it, and I'm very bullish that it can return me very large gains for the foreseeable future. Again, Mike's video is going to have more fundamental reasons why to purchase this, but I want to show you something that's very important when looking at investing in a cryptocurrency, and that is by looking at a broader chart called the Trello chart. And I can't take any credit for it. I've mentioned Marc De Mesel's YouTube channel plenty times on this channel, but I'll do it again. And he makes this chart, and it's the best indicator on when to buy cryptocurrency. In my opinion, please make sure you do your own research and due diligence before you look into an investment like this or any investment, and make sure you take responsibility for your own risk. This is all for fun, entertainment, and educational purposes only. But with that disclaimer said, let's put this chart on the screen. So what this chart actually does, it shows you the forest over the trees. It draws a median line throughout the entire run of cryptocurrency. And that median line is the red line right here. And the white line indicates the actual price of cryptocurrency, the total market cap value. That means every cryptocurrency in the market. And you will see that this white line goes way above the red line and it goes below the red line. And this makes a lot of noise and a lot of emotions that are very difficult for investors to work through. So a lot of people get scared from the investment, and a lot of people have lost a lot of money in cryptocurrency. But this chart tells us where we actually really are and also where we are going. If we look at the chart below, we take a closer look at just how high cryptocurrency can spike in overvaluation to the overall trend line. We see that it goes 2,000% above the trend line sometimes, or close to that. So to me, that's very important. So I understand that this investment can go 2,000% above the overall trend line. Where do we stand today? Well, the last time Marc did this Trello chart on August 21st, the total market cap of cryptocurrency was $362 billion. But the trend line was a total of $409 billion. That gave us a valuation of 88%, which is actually undervalued to the trend line. So this would indicate that cryptocurrency is a buy right now. You're getting it below the trend line, and also we understand that this asset has gone parabolic to nearly 2,000% overvaluation on 3 different occasions. But if we take a closer look, we see that cryptocurrency is becoming a little bit less parabolic over time. The first run up, it went up well over 2,000%, and then the last time it was under 2,000%. And the last time before that, it was even a little bit lower. So I would say on the next run, I would expect about a 1,000% in overvaluation to the trend line. So this makes cryptocurrency to me a screaming buy. But something else that we should really look at in this new developing market is that crypto is going slightly less parabolic in each bull run. It is also taking longer in between parabolic runs. So if we look back to 2011, that's the first time crypto really went parabolic. So if we look at the chart, we see that every parabolic run is starting to come further and further away. And if you look at the peak from 2014, the last peak was really somewhere close to 2018, about a 4-year mark in between. So I would expect the next peak in parabolic movement to come after 4 years. So I would say really 2023, but I still think we trend upward from here. I think this chart is absolutely fascinating, and people should really look at it, consider it when investing in the cryptocurrency, or at least I do. Now, if I show you my cryptocurrency portfolio, I'm buying 2 cryptocurrencies. I'm buying Ethereum and Bitcoin Cash. And even though I said cryptocurrency is a screaming buy here, I had the opportunity to be pickier with my purchases. I was instead looking to buy cryptocurrency when it made lows against this trend line. So cryptocurrency prices in the last year were actually negative 60% against the trend line, and I was buying around there. I was buying Ethereum under $100. My average price is about $150 right now, but it's provided me a great return. I was able to get 36 Ethereum at roughly $152, and with a return now of 156%. So between Ethereum and Bitcoin Cash, which I have 13 Bitcoin Cash, I roughly have $17,000, $18,000 into crypto. And what I do personally, I put that into like my stock portfolio, and it's just slightly less than 10% of my total portfolio. And I like to keep crypto weighted somewhere around there, around 10% in my liquid stock / crypto portfolio. Because even though I think I'm right, I do think cryptocurrency is rewriting the internet. I don't know if people realize, like, the internet started in the 1960s, and it really didn't become what it is today until, honestly, not that long ago. It was released to the public around 1991, and then we had the first run of the dot-com boom in the late 90s. But the internet and tech is still evolving so much in our lives. And I think it's silly when people just think all this energy and talent put into cryptocurrency projects is just gonna go for waste and for nothing. It's not gonna actually find real utility. And a market cap for something this disruptive to only be 362 billion, to me, is a huge opportunity to grow my wealth. Too big of an opportunity to pass up on. So I hope you guys can take away from looking at this chart that the crypto market is growing, thus in a volatile nature. It's kind of hard to see that, but the trend definitely is upwards. And I'm not buying at these prices, I'm holding at these prices because it's already roughly 10% of my portfolio. I might buy a little bit more. I do think it's likely the price could go down, and I will buy more. I would like crypto to be roughly 10% of my portfolio. So for me, it's more of a hold right now, but if I didn't own any, I would definitely be buying at these prices, just because the upside potential, as we see in these charts, is just too high to pass up. And the probability is actually pretty good. We've seen crypto go parabolic multiple times in the past, and we know how overvalued this asset can become. Again, now I think you may have to be patient to get these kind of returns. Investing is not easy. You buy at this price today and then tomorrow it goes sky high, but it just might take a couple years of accumulation to really grow your capital. So if you've enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and please leave comments down in the comment section. I definitely feel like there's still a lot of people not investing in crypto right now, which is a good sign. Those are more potential investors to help pay more for my cryptocurrency in the future. So if you are or are not investing in cryptocurrency, let me know down in the comment section as to why, and if you are in the market, are you looking to buy more cryptocurrency, hold it, or sell it? And also please make sure don't miss Mike's video. It's gonna give you more of a fundamental reasons as to why to invest in cryptocurrency, but you also need good fundamentals when you're investing in a project as well. So I'll let Mike take care of that. And I'll just plug my Instagram here too if you guys wanna follow me over there. Here's my handle, rgiffen89. I post there pretty much daily. On this YouTube channel, make sure you're subscribed because I post here every Sunday and have no plans of stopping. I really enjoy it. So make sure that notification bell is on, and I'll see you in my next one.